Hello guys, today I have got the REDMI Buds 8 Lite and I'm going to show you how to clean your earbuds. So, the first thing that you need to do is to prepare two or maybe three things. The first one is, of course, not here, is of course a brush. Here, as you can see, we've got our brush, and it can be either a very soft one or medium one. It depends actually on what level of dirt you have. If you don't have much dirt, you can use soft. If you have very oily earbuds, very dirty, use medium or hard. Apart from these brushes that I do have here, you need to prepare alcohol. The isopropyl alcohol or ethyl alcohol, which I've got here in my can over there. Why ethyl or why isopropyl one? They don't conduct electricity. In comparison with water, they are very nice to clean electronic devices like earbuds, like computers, everything. Of course, don't put everything into water, in this alcohol, it doesn't work like that. You need to clean it. Use this as a cleaning tool, not as a dipping tool. And the third thing, cotton swabs. I can prepare, for example, one cotton swab because it's actually enough. Of course, if you've got your earbuds very dirty, you can use 2 or 3. Let me get rid of my decorations here. And so we are gonna start with the case. So here we've got our case. What you need to do at first is to spray with this alcohol inside one time. Okay, not like this, like this. You need to see that your alcohol is right here. Now you need to wipe all the alcohol like this, put it inside, of course very delicately so that you won't damage it, like almost all I did right now. Very delicately. The right place and the left one. Very delicately without using any force, etc. So that should be it. When you see that there is no dirt, you're good to go here. But here, as you can see, we've got the dirt. I don't, but you probably do. So spray some alcohol on the brush itself, and you need to brush here the inside of the case like that. This place is very common getting dirt. And that should be when it comes to the inside. You can use actually some soft cloth. Here I've got microfiber one, but it can be actually every single one that you want. And you can wipe the excess dirt or excess alcohol, or Now let's go to the outside. So when it comes to the outside, you can use the same brush or some soft cloth and just clean it as it is, as you can see. You can spray here more alcohol. And you can use soft cloth to wipe everything. So once we have it clean, the only thing that matters now is the charging port on our case. So here you need to have this hard brush, and you can actually spray a little alcohol in there, but remember to not use metallic tools or some plastic tools that can be damaging for the charging port. Then just brush the insides. Now once you have got it done, the case can be placed somewhere different. Let's focus now on our earbuds. I'm not going to take off my ear tips because it's too long thing to me to think about it, to put them back again. But what you need to do here is to prepare yourself this alcohol, which I have here. Spray it on this cotton swab. Wait a moment. I've got this thing on it. Okay, now like this, and here spray it on the earbuds. Like, let me spray it, just clean your earbuds with this cotton swab, like inside of it, but very delicately because you can damage the ear tip. Like this, clean this very carefully. And when it comes to the microphone, it's a little different because wait a moment, let me clean it here fully. Because as you can see, here I've got this hole, and this hole is actually in this hole we've got our microphone. You need to use this brush and somehow clean the inside of this hole. It may be difficult, but remember to not spray any liquids in there. And the same thing you need to do to the second earbud which I've got here. That should be it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Goodbye.